Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open message or any other area where you can input some text. Here you've got the current keyboard of yours. To change the language, to change the letters, tap on settings icon, go to languages, click on add keyboard. You can either scroll all the way down or tap in search area and enter the language that you want to apply. Pick it, tap on done. Now remove unnecessary language, and as you can see, it would be already applied. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.